Insert the valve into the mounting hole. Tighten with screws. Then unscrew the piston locking bolt. Lower the push-pull device by sending the ZR-3000R command. Insert the injector piston mounting hole into the piston pusher. Place the gasket into the top mounting hole of the injector. Screw the top of the injector into the 1/4 inch 28 thread screw hole on the bottom of the valve and tighten it. Tighten the piston locking bolt to ensure that the injector piston is fixed in place. First, drain the liquid in the injector. Lower the push-pull device by sending the ZR-3000R command. Unscrew the piston locking bolt. Unscrew the injector from the valve. Note: check if the gasket in the top mounting hole has fallen out or is damaged. Do not install the gasket again. Insert the injector to be replaced into the piston pusher. Connecting the injector and the valve. Thread the injector head into the valve body. Tighten the piston locking bolt. Make sure the injector piston rod is firmly in place. Note: make sure the piston locking bolt is tightened. Injector replacement completed.